A student should choose to come to Blackhawk Technical College because we provide a very supportive learning environment, an environment in which you can succeed at your own pace, and a college that you will leave knowing that you have the competencies needed to be successful in the HVAC industry.
Students start working hands-on almost immediately. Within the first 2 weeks, I would say, of the classes, we start incorporating labs into the program, so it really enforces the theory that we talk about in class. We have a great facility here. We are not brand specific. You will learn on all kinds of different equipment.
At Blackhawk Technical College, we can train you to become a successful technician worldwide. The skills you learn here, you can take anywhere. Whatever you learn at Blackhawk Technical College travels.
Technology has changed a lot. For example, refrigeration gauges are now Bluetooth enabled to go right to your phone. The controllers on a lot of the equipment, the energy management systems are just evolving so quickly. So keeping up on skills and taking classes is crucial.
We help students become successful at Blackhawk Tech by developing individual plans with each student, which help them succeed at the pace that they can move.
We definitely have a wide variety of students that are interesting, and the faculty here are great to work with.
At Blackhawk Technical College, if you give us 21 months, we'll give you a future.